Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Yu's geography class. Today we are going to talk about Indiana and its neighbors. Do you know how beautiful our country is? Have you been traveled to other places around Indiana with your family? In this video, I'm going to talk about the geography features of our home state, Indiana, and its neighbor states. And we are going to explore its common features with Indiana's neighbor states in Middle West areas. So our first step is take a look at an overview of US maps. So here is Indiana, and Indiana is belong to a large region called Middle West. Middle West is considered neither on the east coast nor on the west coast. It's in the middle of the country in the northern side, and usually it's around the Great Lakes area. Here is the map of Middle West. In Middle West, there are 12 states, which are including North Dakota, South Dakota, Nevada, Kansas, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio. Among those states, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio are considered as Great Lakes states because they are all by the side of the Great Lakes. And this green line is the Mississippi River, which also separates the Middle West area into two different regions. The left side is called the West North Central, and the right side is called the East North Central. So here's my question. Do you know what this state is? Yeah, of course, we know it's our home state, Indiana. Indiana is ranked as the 38th in size of the 50 states. And the population in Indiana is the 16th of the 50 states. Its capital and largest city is Indianapolis, which is located in the central of the state. Indiana was admitted to the United States as the 19th United States on December 11th, 1816. Indiana has a humid continental climate, which means in winter the weather is very, very cold, and usually there are snows. And in summer the weather is hot and with humid weather, very white weather. Usually it rains a lot in summer. The Indiana terrain is divided geographically into two parts. The northern side is a plain terrain. The southern side is mountain terrain. So you may wonder what is plain terrain and what is mountain terrain. Plain terrain means places where there's no mountains. Usually most of the places are very plain, and farmers can plant many plants in the area. The mountain terrain means that there are a lot of mountains and hills, up and down hills in the area. The southern side of Indiana is mountain terrace, which you could see like Brown County has a lot of forest in the southern side of Indiana. Now we move to our neighbor state, Ohio. Ohio is on the east side of Indiana, and it's also considered as a Middle Western state because and it's also around the area of the Great Lakes. The state takes its name from the Ohio River. Ohio is the 34th largest by the area and the 7th most populous states in the United States. And it's the 10th most densely populated of the 50 United States. The state's capital and largest city is Columbus. The climate of Ohio is also a humid continental climate. Summers are typically hot and humid throughout the state, while winters generally range from cool to cold. So now it's your time to find one of the states in Midwest that you want to explore. You need to find its weather features and terrain features like we did before. Find out the common features of the states you explore and compare it to Indiana and Ohio. And you will find what's the common features in the Midwest. Thank you for watching this video. This is Miss Yu in geography class.